So here's my challenge today. I've got to set this timer for this light over here. So it turns the light on when it gets dark. Now it's getting dark a lot early, so I've got to get it so that it does it earlier. As you can see right now, I got it set at about 7, but I got to get it over here about 6:30 because that's gonna, and then I got to get the right time of the day on here. So it's about, what time is it? So there it goes on. You can see, right? And then it goes around. You can see it came on. I'm turning it, and then bam, it goes off. So let's try it again. I'm turning it. Let's get the whole thing in here. And then bam, it goes on. And then it stays on during the evening. And then we get up to the morning and it turns off. So what I've got to do is I've got to get it set so that it turns on at the right time. So right now, I believe it is about 1:30, 2 o'clock maybe. All right, so anyway, I got to pull that little green tab out. It's at 7:30 and I need to put it right about 6 o'clock. So I got to kind of shove it in there. And of course, it's kind of hard to do with one hand and film with the other. But, oh shit, I just dropped it. Damn it. Oh, great. See if I can find it. Where the hell did that thing go? Yeah. Oh, there it is. Good. All right, I got it. All right, let's see if I can get this thing in here now. I'm going to put it right about 6. Looks like I got it. Good. Now we got to change the time. The time's in that center area there. You see where it says time of day? So I've got to get it to about 1:15. So I'm going to roll through it. Whoops, I passed it. Now I got to keep going. I'm going to have to do one full revolution here. Now it's going to click on when I push it through there. See that? That clicks it on. There it goes. I'm going to roll it all the way through. And I've got to get it back to 1 o'clock. For some reason, they do the PM in dark and they do the AM in the light. So all this is like, that's 1 a.m., 2 a.m. I got to roll it all the way through until I get to the dark part. So that's what we're going to do here. I'm going to just push it all the way through. And that's going to turn it off. That's at 7 in the morning. And then we're going to move it forward. Keep going. Keep going. You can do it. Then we're going to keep going. And we're going to get it to where it says about 1 o'clock. So now we're going, that's noon. And then there's 1. And then I just got to go a little bit. Bam. There. All right. I think we're set. Now that should work. And now it should come on right at 6 o'clock at night when it gets dark and go off at about 6:30 in the morning. And that's how you program your intermatic, heavy-duty, outside light timer. Oh, also we got to put this hood on it. So hang on just a second. So I got this timer underneath the overhang so it doesn't really get rained on, but you still should put this on. And so I got to kind of push it into those 2 little clips there. And bam, there it is. Now we got it on there, and then we just kind of lay it over the top, and that's it. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff that I've never done before. All right, peace out.